With the hot summer season, it's crucial to keep ourselves well hydrated. Going to discover 4 natural, invigorating, and healthy herbal iced teas to cool down the summer heat. Blue herbal iced tea from the butterfly pea flower is naturally caffeine-free and has a very mild, sweet, and earthy taste. Studies have shown that it is high in antioxidants and can ease arthritis pain and swelling. Add 2 to 4 tablespoonfuls of dried butterfly pea flower in a pitcher. Boil about 12 ounces filtered water. Pour the hot water in the pitcher and let the dried flowers steep for at least 20 minutes. Next, we will strain out the flowers and add 1 tablespoon of honey, sugar syrup, or plant-based sweetener. I prefer to add 1 tablespoon blue curacao syrup. This will give a sweet orangey taste to the blue tea. Add crushed ice or ice cubes. Pour over the blue tea and enjoy. The butterfly pea flower has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine to enhance memory, treat anxiety and depression, and even Alzheimer's. The purple herbal iced tea is prepared the same way as the blue tea, except that we will add 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice to the tea, which will transform the blue tea to a sparkling purple color due to the acidity in the lemon juice. Rose Petal iced tea and Rose Petal iced latte are nutritious drinks from dried rose petals filled with immune-boosting antioxidants and with high vitamin C content. The rose flower promotes the production of collagen, which is necessary for excellent hair and skin. Caffeine-free and has a very fresh and fruity taste. Add 2 to 4 tablespoonfuls of dried rose petals to a pitcher. Pour the hot water over the rose petals, then strain out the rose petals, add ice, and enjoy. To prepare the rose petal iced latte, we will add milk to chilled rose petal tea. Add the sweetener of your choice. For coffee lovers, you can mix the rose latte with espresso shots. Golden peach iced tea with thyme is bold and vibrant. Benefits treatment of respiratory and digestive diseases. Peaches have excellent fiber content that aids in digestion and also contains ceramides that aids in skin hydration. Bring to a boil a mix of chopped ripe peaches. Place in a pan with 3/4 cup water and 4 tablespoons sugar or sweetener. Mash the peaches using a spatula and allow to cool. Place 1 black or green tea bag in a pitcher. Add a few sprigs of fresh thyme. Pour the hot water over and allow to steep for at least 10 minutes. Then remove the tea bag and add 1 tablespoon freshly squeezed lemon juice. Strain the pureed peaches and place it in your serving glass. Add ice, then add the thyme tea. Herbal teas can be enjoyed hot or cold, and research have shown they provide natural health benefits. Consult with your healthcare provider before enjoying herbal teas if you are pregnant, lactating, under medication, or have compromised health.